Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell USDT on OKX P2P. In order to do this, you just have to launch your OKX mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in and once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the left hand section in the top. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you need to select the option of P2P trading in manage assets. Once you've done that, you will be landed on this page where by default you will be on this buy section, but you need to click on sell. Once you do this, you will be able to see all of the merchants to whom you can send your USDT and you can convert that USDT in your own currency. So as I live in India, it is showing me the INR currency, but if your currency is not selected over here, then you will have to tap on the top right hand corner of the screen, and from the given currencies, you just have to select your currency. After that, you just have to add your payment method. So for that, you will have to tap on the profile button in the bottom, then you need to tap on payment. After that, you need to tap on add now, and after selecting your payment method like your bank account or your debit card, you just have to simply provide the further details relating to it in order to add it. Once it is added successfully, you will have to come to the sell page again, and now you will have to select your merchant and you need to tap on the sell button right next to that merchant. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell, and after that you just have to conclude your selling. After doing so, you will be able to see that your USDT is now in your bank account after some time. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.